What is Bella Radiance? Bella Radiance is an age restoration formulation that comprises a number of collagens and proteins. They help in repairing the cells of the skin and destroy tissues. It reduces fine lines and creases. The anti-aging products helps improve the look of the skin without individuals having to undertake any hurtful procedures. It is claimed to be a harmless treatment which does not include any form of surgery or pharmaceutical treatment. The product is also claimed to comprise a blend of safe ingredients. The active agents contained by Bella Radiance are claimed to be pure and are free from any unsafe additives. Who is the manufacturer of Bella Radiance? Bella Radiance Ageless. Bella Radiance is claimed to comprise active and potent ingredients that are pure and do not comprise any harmful toxins, binders or additives. The product is made with lightweight combination of ingredients that does not make the skin appear or feel greasy after use. It is also claimed that the product is suitable for use by people of different skin types. It is meant to be applied to the face and the neck 2 times a day for effective results. The product is claimed to be clinically proved that it supports the safety and restoration of aged skin. It is claimed that whether one is in search of a preventative care or looking for a product that could even away blemishes found on face, Bella Radiance is approved product for the job. Bella Radiance is sold in little pink and white containers which comprises a 30-day supply of the cream. First-time customers are offered a free package for trial. This is available on the official website of the manufacturer. How does Bella Radiance work? Bella Radiance is a facial moisturizer that is claimed to contain antioxidants, vitamins, and humectant. The active ingredients are claimed to be clinically validated that it hydrates, increases collagen, and reduces the appearance of the most minor lines and wrinkles. It is claimed to work by empowering the collagen and the elastin cells. Collagen is key for maintaining the structure of the skin, whereas elastin aids in keeping a firm and smooth skin. The product penetrates deep into the skin layers to reveal a younger, radiant, and an extra supple appearance. Bella Radiance is formulated using safe and active ingredients so that people of different complexions are able to use the product. Bella Radiance ingredients, are they safe and effective? The ingredients include vitamin E fuels the production of skin cells that aids in repairing destroyed cells and protects them from damage in the future. Hyaluronic acid naturally maintains moisture. It plumps the skin, moistens dry areas, and replaces damaged skin. Vitamin C is a natural antioxidant, which intensely diminishes wrinkles, fixes and smooths skin tones, and defends the skin from damage by free radicals. Palmitoyl peptide restores the damaged tissues of the skin and boosts production of collagen to provide firmness to the skin. Bella Radiance review. Does it really work? Bella Radiance is claimed to work well. This is based on the information presented by the manufacturer on the official website.